Hi, and welcome to RedTrack. Today I wanted to cover one important change RedTrack released to its automation rules that will, we hope, positively impact how you can leverage all the solutions we provide. So before that, let's say the legacy approach was condition every. So basically, when we had just one condition for the rules, we had very few KPIs. We would measure like every $20 spent. If something happened, we would apply the rule logic. However, what may happen is that we start to measure this every from the moment you run the rule and then with a particular frequency. And as we added multiple different rule update frequencies, multiple different KPIs, and we allowed to add several conditions to the rules, the every logic start to fail our users frequently because like you expect to run rules, for example, when ROI is, and let's write it down here. So for today, ROI is less than 20%, and campaigns already spent more than $20. So it's not performing. Shut it down. However, because we measure every, there was not even a possibility to create every day because it needs to pass 24 hours. And that's definitely not today. Same applies for like every 100 clicks. They may pass sooner or later with the measurement, or they may happen here. The rules will fire here. Or in that moment, that 100 clicks happened. If you do it by clicks or 1,000, there were spend was not yet measured because it was 30-minute cost update, or conversions happened in that period. So basically, clicks happened here, conversions happened here. We measured this set of data. ROI is negative, so just shut it down. Although overall it would be, let's say, 100 or whatever. We don't know about the money, so we would shut it down. Although the results are amazing. So to remedy that, we did a very simple change. We left every. A lot of our users use it to their needs, but we added condition last. So meaning you measure, for example, last day. And so if clicks happened here, conversions happened here, the system will not take these just part because it's last, not every. We'll take last day, for example, that happened today. So all the data points for today. I need to do probably this one. Okay, doesn't matter. Let's do this one. So in every, we would measure this period when that 1,000 clicks happened. Whatever the other KPIs or multiple, trying to match multiple conditions, and that's why it was often not working out. Now with last, it's very easy. We measure actually today or yesterday or last 3 days, and then we'll start to add more conditions like last $100 spent whenever it happened, and should allow to run rules easier. Let's see how it works. So our rules, we picked Facebook, active Facebook campaigns. Let's apply it to the ad set level. We want to replicate the same rule here. Shut the ad set down if the ROI is less than 20% and this ad set spent more than $20 already. So we need to have two last conditions. And you see the difference, every and then for. And this one, because we do today, there is no parameter for today. If you'll do like last X days, now it will start to be active. But let's do today because we want to see for today. And then we do two KPIs. One is ROI, less than 20%. And another would be where we have cost, ad spend. Greater, let's do greater or equal $20, both for today. And if this happens to an ad set, just pause it. Again, you might be running, this rule check is 30 minutes. You might be running high frequency check. The may be a natural gap of more than, for example, 5 minutes between you spend the money and the actual conversion happens, so you can see ROI. So we always advise either to actually have a lower frequency of check, like every 30 minutes, or use this pause and restart. So what happens if we pause a specific ad set, but then we captured the delayed conversions that happened after the ad set was paused, and those delayed conversions positively impacted ROI, we'll reactivate the ad set and we'll keep running ads. Then select if you want to send the notification back by email or by webhook, if you want multiple webhooks to be sent to different systems. Give this rule a title, save, and run. This slide from RedTrack, we covered how our new approach to rule conditions, which frequency last, was working. Hope you'll enjoy it. Now, the beta sign is here because we will add all these additional parameters to measure your conditions against for the not only for every, but for last. So we'll have not only today, yesterday, last days, we'll have spent, we'll have conversions, etc., to make that system as flexible as you need. Thank you. Enjoy using RedTrack.